Optimo, wake up. This wind don't start again. Brighto, Bright, wake up. The wind don't start again, and you know say if this wind start now, but still gonna get bad dream for this house. Wake up. You want to get bad dream? Wake up now.
No, they go. Who care about the go now? It's what you do.
You want to carry back? They go where one?
Who they go now? Who they go?
They go where by this time?
By this after 3.
After 3.
After you go wait. If 5 now go.
If 5 knock now, this person will stop us from this house.
5 around 5 o'clock. They go don't wake around 5.
I know what they talk.
Huh? Only thing we go do be say as this wind don't start, may nobody sleep again. May they not attack us for dream again.
Say you do bad day. I don't let this won't come.
Since I don't know, since that the way we say we go burn that car finish, they come back. When they say we don't look back, I don't know. I saw person they dream bad dream.
Una look back.
Who look back?
We don't look back. Just walk out. They go come this house and start there.
Now that's the cause all these things. Now that's the cause. Since that day, you know where now. You know won't care for us again. Make him talk to prophet. Make know how to go come do this cleansing for the company. You know what?
Okay, now they talk too much for me.
Now they do too much. As estate gate don't open. Estate gate don't open. No be all of us talk say we go comot. No be all of us.
But this time.
By around 3, estate gate don't open. Una don dey lis ten. If for what of people dey waka for road something come happen by 3 o'clock in the night.
You forget say if they see you by this time na see you forget you lose wetin dey happen. When you go through find way dey pray you dey here dey do.
Last week we fight for safe phone. Last week we no give support for last week we no care about us again last week. Most of the say okay make you dey ask me what dey. If you go ask since come ask you talk about the good guy.
Na be the problem na no be all of us don talk say we go dey go.
I know wetin I pass through for that car. No be say as I carry am sef I know wetin happen that day. I know wetin do me. If no be say God dey with me. Yeah? Since that day I dey complain give am every day. See wetin we dey see wetin. Na because say we no wan open camera.
Look at what they say with the carry come online.
You na know wetin me and the server say that pot wey I go burn that time.
Better make dey come on now. This is the best time. I don't time for
una problem be say na she no dey lis ten na she no dey I don follow am talk I don follow am talk how many times.
What if guys come start with you?
What bad is say him dey go outside dey gift others we wey dey the house he never appreciate us.
If they shout the other night they talk say him go bring the sacrifice him go bring the sacrifice. Comot this guy for the house make peace dey. You no want. You know since when he never even call anybody talk how we wan take do this thing. Na everything dey on us. They tell us say make we comot carry as if say make we dey if we do am now e go be like say we dey take law into our hands.
Nothing they go talk. You no go pass that one. If you do anything we do now they say this way they are doing too much. Can't see this house last no wan talk anything. And no in just say im go bring the sacrifice like na wetin this guy is come that time. Even though they disturb up and down now if he start again no need us to suffer am. If this boy start again to this house no need us to suffer am. We know wetin pass through church for church dey my hand children still sef na ungrateful human being after you find it to happen
no
be even that one I dey talk.
That girl na ungrateful human being jare. No, you know wetin if they follow dey accuse me that time say I dey follow dey do this thing.
Okay nancy just well in rush start dey go outside work he never even say make carry enough for us go work. He never even say this people don try for me make I appreciate no be even give us anything and if carry us go work go teach us wetin will carry us come we don try for you.
What man be say Dave God sef Dave wey come here come dey tell me say man go uproot that thing wey come dey carry this boy dey jack me up dey say man go uproot wetin I bury for everything wey I don do for her and her sister.
If you check name na fool no fit dey teach them for this house where they dey. Na that one go show peace small appreciation. Na how much dey call you.
That one no dey even bother me na nasty matter make him do something make him comot carry for the house na.
This bag wey dey carry no be the solution all this bag wey dey carry no be the solution.
Break make we comot see me say make we pray you know after 3
Only thing be say where would they pray? Where would they pray? 3 dey now.
If you go outside there, we go dey pray.
Only thing be say I know if nobody sleep 3 don knack. I don tell una this place the bill don start make nobody sleep. Only thing be say we go gather here now pray or if na 30 minutes prayer or whatever we go just pray. Na only thing we dey there. But this one wey we go we know wetin we go meet outside. You know wetin we go meet outside. You know wetin we go meet outside.
We go outside first.
I'm gonna carry that back. Keep
Nasty, yeah, what? Nasty, do this one. Nasty, listen to so. What we see there this house? What we see there this house?
Okay, everybody know wetin see dey here this house dey do. I no dey here because of Nasty again. Only thing wey I dey here make prophetess since prophetess don start make she finish her work now make me I go find my way.
Nasty way, you don't think of how prophet dey go here go finish the work.
Prophet no be Nasty go think about that one na anytime wey prophetess go tell me say ma I come carry am say e don reach make e come clean the come back I go carry am come. That one no be anything.
No tell dey talk if this one is sweet up now problem go start.
Na okay na now na to come dey run dey comot na around 3 o'clock na im be the best solution.
Oga keep back make dem play.
Keep oga like dem hand this back dey go outside. If you go outside there.
Na all this thing be una problem una no dey lis ten una no dey lis ten if like say you go sef dey lis ten all this thing no go dey happen una no dey lis ten but I dey tell you now me eminence dey tell you now make you no go anywhere I no get reason you no dey lis ten word na the time wey you go comot oya carry your own bag na where your bag carry am dey go no carry am dey go na carry am take bag carry am no make you carry am dey go anything wey you see make you collect.
I dey talk about I don't think about to this house. Maybe see
No,
after this we come. That's no give us.
I wan ask you na only you dey pass through the thing. Na only you no see I mean na because I all light you no see wetin you no see everywhere see dark you no dey see say everywhere see dark. What if you match something for you match left for something now.
No be go match left for something. Number one, let's take number two. You don't know whether na the evil spirit now dey push you make you go outside.
So you don't it's not like evil spirit dey push you. You know what? I don't be here dey sleep. Na come see na sick for you. You let me chop me to death. Like sleep.
I wan ask you don face wetin we don face. You know how many things wey me don face. No me go bury that but you know wetin I don face. And because say me optimal e show me say you can remember very well wetin I don go through for this house. So as I dey tell you now calm down try calm down around 5 o'clock we know how you go take do am.
At least like say we be food. No dey do anything. See all this will not tire me. All these things don't tire me. Since last week, last don't come here say, no never was say how far. Since last week,
you no dey wait for if Nancy no carry you go by yourself. You no see me. I no go by myself. Na person carry me go.
You don too much. The time we just carry our back, come back dey go.
I no tell you, see, make dey brave first. If una go, we go. Make dey brave first. Make dey brave.
Oga, make we pray. Na only thing wey I go tell una say. See, up to more. Carry this thing dey come back with the grace. Carry this thing dey come back. Wetin be your problem? Or if you wan go, carry your own bag dey go. Since you no like your life. Since you no like your life, see wetin dey die. See everywhere see dey die. Around 3, you wan call comot. You no get sense. Wetin do 5 o'clock? Wetin do? Baba, I no wan get issue with you. I no wan get issue.
Someone dey comot na to this person na wake up.
Oga, lock that door, jare.